Hello, Mr. John. I think our production line is quite special. Can the irregular devices on the board in your hand be automatically processed by this machine?
It's absolutely possible. Like these special shaped devices, which are irregular in size, the pins are complicated. The traditional way can only be done manually. Not only is it inefficient, and yield is difficult to guarantee. If we have this special shaped plug-in machine, it uses visual recognition plus precise grasping, plus automatic positioning. We can efficiently complete one-time assembly, whether it is connectors, transformers, and other special shaped custom devices can be automated plug-in processing.
Then, if our products change models frequently, can automated equipment continue to be used?
In fact, many customers will ask this question at the outset. The special shaped plug-in line itself is very flexible, can easily handle multiple varieties. The volume production product model is fast. The efficiency is high. The accuracy and consistency of each batch can be guaranteed stably. So here's a simple answer. What we do is not a single model of automation equipment. It is also a flexible production solution that can adapt to complex and variable products. If you also have similar products, you can send the design files. We will help you with professional review and optimization plan. We will verify your product, make complex assemblies easier. Okay, thanks.